my name is Mikayla Snow and today we're going to be doing a swimsuit haul and I'm super excited because 1, I love summer and 2, I love swimming, and so swimsuit hauls are one of my favorite videos to do during the summer because it's perfect, it's my favorite things. So today we've got 11 swimsuits to try on and I'm super excited. They're all from Zaful and I love Zaful. They make these videos possible and I'll link everything down below so you guys can get some very affordable cute bikinis for yourself. So all of the links for everything I try on will be down in the description, and also if they're having any deals I'll also link them down below. Anyway guys, let's get on to the video. So these will be in no particular order, but I'm going to start with one of my favorites. This is like a beautiful floral bandeau top, and the bottoms are super cute as well. They're just like this beautiful floral print, and I love the colors, and I love like these peony flowers and the like poppy flowers, and super gorgeous. And this top is like super tight, which it sounds bad when you think of it, but you'd rather have like a tight top that's gonna like stay on your body than like something that's like kind of loose and that might fall off. So it's like perfect tightness where it doesn't like feel too constricting, but I'm not worried about it falling off. So this one definitely gets a thumbs up. And next we have this beautiful yellow one. This is like super Adeline Moore yellow, and I love the print. Some more flowers. You guys know I love me some flowers. It's perfect because you can see I have these awful like tan lines from like my bikinis that have straps. So strapless is perfect if you don't want to get tan lines. So I'm definitely gonna wear this one the next time I'm at the beach. Alrighty, so this one is also kind of like a strapless number, but it also has these armbands which are super cute. Like this lettuce hem is like such a throwback hem, but I adore it. And then the bottoms are just this beautiful sunflower print. I love sunflowers, they're my favorite flower. They're super cute, and I really love this top. Like I can totally imagine wearing it to like a music festival with like a high-waisted skirt or just something really pretty and flowy, because it's not like super swimsuit material, but it's still cute, you know? Like I really like it. Okay, so this next one looks very similar to the other one, but this is just like a plain white strapless top. Super cute also, just like a nice tube top. It doesn't have the armbands or the lettuce hem, so it is oh my gosh, the lettuce hem, so it is a bit different. And then the bottoms are super cute. Like they're like totally like a Kylie Jenner color, is that weird to say? But like an army green high-waisted bottom. Super cute, and then it is full coverage in the back, so that's nice. This color combo, just like the white and the green, is super trendy. So this one is super cute, and it finally we got some straps. We got like double straps. We got this strap and then like these fun straps down here that tie in the back. Super cute, but a little confusing to put on, but I got it. And then these bottoms, so the top is kind of a thumbs up, but then the bottoms are kind of a thumbs down because I was just very confused. Why? So the front, there's like 2 parts of it and it goes like this, but I didn't really like it, so I don't want to wear the bottoms because they're a little weird. But other than that, the top's cute. But I also scratched myself pretty bad putting it on, so these nails were not the best choice for this video. So this one's a little weird. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I have to like censor it because it's like a moment away from a wardrobe malfunction. It just feels weird. I don't like it. And then the bottoms are just like a simple blue bottom. So you cannot go wrong with a red bikini. This one's super cute, like super Baywatch vibes. I love it. Oh, they're actually ruched. I didn't even notice, and I wore these in Santa Monica, but these are super cute, really comfy. I wore it all day on the pier and it was super cute. So the tie in the front is real, that's how you tie it up, and I was not worried at all day like if it was gonna come undone. It like felt very secure and I do like it, but if you have anything other than a C cup, maybe you size up a lot because it's a little dangerous, but I think it's really cute. Alrighty, so this one's like super pretty turquoise tie-dye, and it's honestly one of my favorite ones, and I think it was like the last one I added to my cart also, so I'm super glad I grabbed this one because it's super cute and it's gonna be like my go-to bikini I think this year because it's super simple to put on, and the back's like really intricate and it makes it easier to put on. That doesn't make any sense, but let me show you. Like you never have to tie it, it just like tightens by itself, so that's really nice. I love that feature. And the bottoms are full coverage, so I feel comfortable wearing them to like out to public pools, so that's nice. And then they have like a cute little detail on the side, so that's always like a cute little extra bonus, and it's my favorite color, so obviously this would have to be one of my favorites. Alrighty, so this is another one of my go-to swimsuits. I already wore the turquoise one and this one swimming, and they're both super great. I love this cut. It's just like a simple slimming black, and it has like this nice ladder detailing, which is super cute and just like simple and beautiful, and you don't need to be all fancy, and it can just be like a nice simple swimsuit, you know. And then the bottoms are cute too. This is the bottoms. Just kidding, let me tie them real quick. Okay, and then the bottoms just tie up on the sides. Super cute and confusing, but cute. I really like this top. It's one of my favorites. Okay, so this one's another one of my favorites. I love cactuses. You guys know everyone loves cactuses, but like I grew up with all these kinds of cactuses, these exact like prickly pear cactuses outside of my house. So I love, love, love this print. I'll show you like better on the bottoms. It's weird that I'm just like holding up bottoms, I don't know. Anyways, but this print, I love it. Like I want a tattoo so bad of a prickly pear cactus. Like I love it. Like it's on my keychain. It's one of my favorite plants, my favorite cactuses. So this one is super, super cute. The bottoms are a little small, so I might have wanted to size up, but that's okay. I can still make it work. It's gonna be fine. And the top, super, super cute. And the back is also like a cute like tie-up thing. It's where it's like all continuous, you know? I don't know if that makes sense. So this one's another one of my favorites and I can't wait to wear it. And then so last but definitely not least is the only one piece that I got. I should have gotten more, but this is like the one that really, really caught my eye. It's beautiful and black and it has these rose details on it and I love it, and it has like this very like nice ladder going not all the way down, thankfully. You know, that'd be really, really, really weird. Anyways, I love roses. You guys know how much I love these like rose patches and rose details. They're gorgeous, and then this one's perfect. It has this collar up to the top, which is really nice. And the roses go all the way around, which is super, super cute. Love this one. The front's a little weird. I wish it was a little bit more full coverage, but it's super cute anyways, and I just love it. I don't think I like want to wear this in a pool or anything because I don't want to like mess it up, but I don't know if it will. I don't think I'm gonna wear this one swimming per se, but I'm definitely gonna wear it as like a bodysuit maybe, or just something cute like that, because I don't want to ruin it because I love it. And that's the last one. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna go swim now, so if you enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, I'm gonna be a very good YouTuber, and I'm gonna link all of the swimsuits down below, so you guys can also go check them out if you'd like to get a swimsuit. And you can get so many because they're super, super affordable. Also, you guys can do your own Zaful haul too. That'd be pretty cool. Anyway guys, let me know down in the comments which swimsuit was your favorite, and let me know if you want me to do more swimsuit videos because I love swimsuits. Like I'm super happy to have all these new swimsuits and maybe even some more. Anyway guys, I love you so much and I will see you next time. Don't forget you can click this circle to subscribe if you're new. Also be sure to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Anyway guys, I'll see you later. And you can click these boxes to watch last year's swimsuit haul, which was kind of cringy, but I still love it, you know, and any other videos that you guys might like. And I will see you later. Bye. much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. At least it'll look like I was swimming. Swimsuit haul. And I absolutely, oh, I forgot lipstick on my mouth. And so let's get into the video. And you're kidding me. The air conditioner just turned on. And so next we have, is it weird that I'm like wearing them and modeling them? I don't know. So you can't go wrong